I'm here at the state-of-the-art Desert Eagle factory, where we combine advanced technology with expert craftsmanship to build the world's most iconic pistol.
The process begins here in the foundry. Our crane operator carefully lowers the raw metal ingots into the
Our specialized probe dips into the mixture, verifying the precise integrity of the alloy before casting.
The initial pour is critical. Our specialized alloy fills the Desert Eagle molds, ensuring the structural integrity of the frame.
After cooling, each ingot is precisely measured with high-tech calipers to ensure dimensional accuracy before machining. The programmer finalizes the G-code, translating the 3D model into precise machining instructions for the frame.
Here, the frame is milled from high-grade alloy. The green coolant ensures thermal stability during the high-speed process.
The green lathe utilizes advanced CNC technology to ensure unparalleled precision during the drilling process.
Precision is paramount. Using digital calipers, the operator verifies the exact measurements of the newly machined barrel before it moves to the next stage. Quality control is paramount. Using the borescope, we meticulously examine the barrel's interior, verifying the precision of the rifling before sign-off. The heat treatment process is critical, ensuring the metal reaches precisely 1050 degrees Celsius for optimal hardness.
The freshly machined parts are loaded into the tempering oven, a crucial step in the heat treatment process that stabilizes the metal structure.
Once the high-speed milling is complete and the coolant clears, every dimension is meticulously checked to ensure the precision required for the Desert Eagle.
The CNC machine precisely mills the stainless steel slide, showcasing advanced technology.
Utilizing a specialized tool for compression, the recoil spring assembly is meticulously guided into the slide, ensuring perfect alignment before release.
Each Desert Eagle is meticulously hand-assembled by our skilled technicians, ensuring flawless operation.
The red dot sight is secured using a hydraulic press, ensuring perfect alignment. We then verify the seating with digital calipers.
Assembling the frame requires meticulous attention to detail. The torque screwdriver clicks, confirming the precise tension needed for the gas system.
The automated function test rigorously checks the weapon's mechanics and build quality, and the system confirms a perfect pass.
The pneumatic function test ensures flawless operation. The slide is rapidly cycled to check for any potential failures before the final assembly stage.
The trigger pull test is critical, ensuring the Desert Eagle meets the stringent 4-pound requirement. The digital gauge provides an exact reading.
Using go-no gauges, the inspector confirms the critical internal dimensions of the barrel. This ensures perfect interchangeability and reliable function.
After painting, the Desert Eagle is placed in a convection oven for precise heat curing, ensuring maximum durability.
Using a highly precise laser etching machine, we apply the serial numbers and branding deep into the metal frame. The laser engraving process is precisely monitored via a 3D wireframe interface. The high-powered beam
Here, the high-powered laser creates the intricate markings and logos with pinpoint accuracy.
The high-powered laser etches the serial numbers and logos with pinpoint accuracy, a critical step for identification and branding.
Following the stamping process, the serial number undergoes meticulous inspection and is logged into the official armory records. The precision machining on the Desert Eagle barrel is critical. Here we use a bore scope to ensure the rifling meets our exact specifications.
The final phase is the live fire test, where the weapon is cycled in full auto to verify its mechanical integrity and precision.
After a thorough cleaning with specialized brushes, the pistol is carefully lubricated, ensuring every component moves with precision. Once the final inspection is complete, each Desert Eagle is meticulously packaged with its accessories, including an extra barrel and cleaning kit. Following final assembly, the pistol undergoes rigorous quality inspection before being securely packaged in a custom hard shell.
This is the culmination of our process. Every Desert Eagle undergoes rigorous inspection before being securely packaged and prepared for its new owner.